Are you ready to dive into the world of e-commerce and unleash your entrepreneurial spirit? Imagine starting your very own Shopify store for just $1. Yes, you heard that right. For a limited time, you can kick off your online business adventure for only $1 for the first 3 months. So if you're excited to learn how to seize this amazing opportunity, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop your comments below, and click the link in the description to get all the details. First things first, let's talk about why Shopify is the go-to platform for budding entrepreneurs like you. Shopify offers an all-in-one solution that allows you to create, manage, and grow your online store with ease. No coding knowledge? No problem. Shopify's user-friendly interface and customizable templates mean you can build a beautiful online store in just minutes. Plus, whether you want to sell physical products, digital downloads, or services, Shopify can handle it all seamlessly, making it the perfect starting point for your e-commerce journey. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of setting up your Shopify store for just $1. Once you click that link in the description, you'll be taken to a special offer where you can sign up for a 3-month trial for only $1. After signing up, you'll explore the store setup process, which involves choosing a store name, selecting your theme, and adding products. Shopify makes it incredibly easy to upload product images, write descriptions, and set your prices, allowing you to showcase your products professionally. But wait, there's more. This offer isn't just about setting up a store, it's also about leveling up your marketing efforts. Shopify provides you with built-in tools to help you drive traffic to your site. Use their SEO features to optimize your store for search engines, or leverage social media integration to reach a wider audience. Plus, Shopify's analytics tools will keep you informed about your performance, so you can make data-driven decisions to grow your business effectively. Finally, don't miss out on the community and support that Shopify offers. Once you're on board, you'll join a vibrant community of entrepreneurs ready to share tips and tricks. Plus, their 24/7 customer support is there to assist you every step of the way. Starting your own Shopify store is not just a dream, it's a fantastic reality waiting for you to grab it. So, are you ready to take the leap? Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and click the link in the description to turn your passion into profit today.